Radharani knows all cooking, everything automatically. It's called swashiksha. I think it's called swaksha. Swashiksha means you self-taught. Shiksha means teaching, swa means myself. She's swashiksha. All the arts, all the 64 arts. No one taught her how to play veena. Radharani didn't have a music teacher. She went to Brihaspati in the heavenly planets to learn. Or she went to Bharat Muni or to Indra or Narada Muni. Narada Muni bhajana veena Radhika Ramana Name Radhika Ramana Nam. Like this. So Radharani didn't go to Narada Muni's veena music school. She's swashiksha. She's self-taught. She is the art of the art. She is the art of all artists. She is the art of all artists and the artist of all painters.